Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically type in your text and convert it into an audio, sorry. Go to text, add in your default text, and you can literally type in anything. Now you are then going to select text to speech and choose the one you want. There's only, I think, in English and in Indonesian. So I'm just going to select the female storyteller one.
You can literally type in anything.
And I'm going to select start reading. And you can delete the audio like so. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!